Put my shades on, guys. The sun killing me. What's going on, YouTube? Your boy Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Hey, kind of getting a little late start this morning, guys. Had a little mishap this morning. We'll talk about that later. But I finally made it here. I still got about 5 or 6 hours to fish. I'm gonna go meet the lip ripper in the back of the lake. I'm gonna drop him some supplies off. And hey, I'm gonna get to it. So, best part about today, y'all get to come along with me. Can't catch him at the house, on the couch. Let's go get some crappie, y'all. But let's go get something. Let's go. First little crappie of the day. Let him go. He's a little bit too tiny there. I feel like a nice crappie. And it is. And it is a nice crappie. And it is a nice crappie. It's about a 12-inch crappie here. Hold'em Hook TV. That's what I came out here for. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Enough talking. We're going to get back in there and get another one. I don't have my measuring stick. I left it in my other boat, but whew, I know that's a 12-inch crappie. Let's go. Let's get him in the box and get another one, YouTube. Welcome aboard. Could this be another nice crappie? I mean, these crappies are slabs, man. These are all 11, 12-inch crappie over here. That's what I'm talking about. Hold'em Hook TV, man. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, YouTube. All I can tell you is Hold'em Hook. You can't catch him at the house, on the couch. Let's get in there and get another one. Let's put him in a box. I'm using live bait today, guys. Man, I've been jigging all day. And I even threw a bunch of jigs over here, man, like 6 or 7 different colors. My uncle just called me too. He up there on the other end of the lake up there. He just said they don't want to hit them jigs today, man, for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. They usually pretty good out here with the jigs. But today, I guess this ain't the day. So. That's the spot. That's the spot. I'm gonna put him back. He on the small side. I'm gonna get back in there and see if we can get some more though. Gotta be some more big ones in there. Y'all stay with me, YouTube. Y'all know how I do. I ain't gonna quit until I can't see no more. Let's go. Oh, this ain't no crappie here. It's definitely, if it's a crappie, it's a record out here. Oh, this ain't no crappie here. Might be a little spot or something. Oh, look like a catfish because it's digging. It keep digging. So I'm thinking it's a little catfish. And if it is, we're gonna eat them. Hold'em Hook TV. My family like catfish. That's a little spot. That's a little spot. Ah, it's a little spot playing around over here. It's a nice spot too. It's a nice spot. Oh, you was nice spot. It's a nice nice spotted bass. Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hold'em Hook TV. What this is? Probably a little spot. It's like I thought, little doggone spot, man. These suckers here. Always messing with stuff. Got something on his fin over there. Let's get him back in there. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, let's get back in there again, man. Can't stop, can't stop. It's starting to cool off a little bit. That's good. It's your little butt. All right, so hold up here. Let me get my jig out. Let me get my jig out. Let me get my jig out. Let me get my jig out here. Let me get my jig out here. Let me get my jig out here. Let me get my jig over here. Let me get my jig out here. We'll tell your cousin I'm looking for him. Hand tie jig. Hand tie jig. Let's see if we can get another one. I caught two nice ones out of here earlier this morning. I didn't have my camera on, so I came back this afternoon because they stopped biting. Plus they had a lot of boat traffic, and I think that was kind of disturbing, rocking the trees and stuff. So just trying to see if they got some. Oh man, look at that up under the boat, y'all. Oh man, school or something. I don't know exactly what they are. Probably some white bass or something. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you can. It's a school of fish passing right up under the boat. Starting to get a little bit more active because it's getting late in the evening and it's starting to cool off just a little bit. Another one. I just need to find the size. I ain't gonna give up on this spot just yet. I'm gonna try to catch a few more right here and see if they have some big ones that's actually sitting in here. They may not. Maybe they don't have no big ones over here, huh? Maybe they don't. But I'll tell you one thing. I got a few big ones in the cooler to eat. I catch these little suckers until they gone. Because guess what? It just feels so good. So good to catch a crappie. My little towel I got from bassboatseats.com. They sent me a towel. I know some guys over there. Pretty cool company, man. That's why I buy all my seats for my boats and stuff. You guys might need to check them out and put them in here again for y'all. You're looking for some boats? bassboatseats.com. Check them out. All right, let me see if I can pull my water up now and dial back in a second. I'm thirsty. Y'all stay with me, YouTube. I'm trying to get the pot cooking. I don't know what we got. I don't know what we have here. Kind of fighting a little bit there. Probably ain't nothing too big though. All right. All right. Little white bass. All righty. Little white bass. Beautiful. Told y'all. Man, y'all mess with Mike D, man. I'll be out here trying to catch everything. Crappie, white bass, I don't care what it is. I know these white bass out here chasing these shats, so I'm chasing them too. Chasing them. Chasing these white bass, so I'm gonna get him back in the water because he's just not big enough. But about 2 more inches, he would have been going that ice chest. Hold him hook TV. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get back in there and get another one, man. These, I just love catching them. Let's get another one. These little suckers know they fight hard, boy. Who didn't know they fight hard? Trying to see what this is, really. I don't know how you got my other line. Is that my line? I don't know. But anyway, it's a fish. Let me get this fish off the line. Oh! This is a... This looks like a striper. I'll look at it real good. Bleeding a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. It's a little striper. I'm gonna put him back in the water. Get my line all twisted up here. Oh boy. I don't know what's going on with this one. I don't know what this is here, YouTube. I don't know. It definitely feel like it has a little weight on it though. It does. I don't know what it is. Gotta make sure I had that drag right, cause I don't want it to pop it. I got a big old white bass or striper, man. I'm so happy y'all here with me. Y'all get to witness this. I do this for y'all, YouTube. This is for my fans. It's for all my subscribers. This is why I fish, man. This is why I do this right here. This is why I do this. This is why I do this right here for y'all. This is why I do this. Whew. That's a striper. This is a small striper. Believe me, that something was pulling like it was a catfish. These things are so powerful, man. And they make good tacos. This is over 12 inches, probably about 14, 15 inches. And I'm talking about it was pulling. Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Man, stay tuned. I got a little bit more time to fish today, man. About 2 more hours. Let's get it. Woo! Man. Oh, boy. Got something else. This 4-pound test here, though. It's not my 6-pound rod, so I gotta kind of be. A little spot. Ah, if I could get them off of here, huh? Nice little spot. We'll let him go. Ah, nice little spot. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Man, what's going on, YouTube? Your boy Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Hey, it's about time for me to head out. Had a blast today. I caught enough fish, not a ton, but I definitely caught enough, all kinds of different species. Hey man, I can't complain. I got out that house and got off that couch though, I'll tell you that much. Water temperature was about 76, between 76 and 79 degrees. Just need the water to get a little bit cooler for these fish to do they run up here for the fall, up in Lake Altoona. Once that water temperature gets into the low 70s, high 60s, it's gonna be on, so just waiting, you know. But the fish are starting to do a little bit now, so you know it's not gonna stop me from doing any kind of fishing. I mean, I fish all year round, but I ain't gonna talk a hole in y'all head. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you like the content. Please share if you want somebody else to enjoy the content that you get to enjoy. Till next time, YouTube. Your boy Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. I'll catch y'all on the next video. And you know that's coming soon. And we gonna holler. Ain't gonna help him out. See if help this guy out, old fella. This boat don't want to stop. don't want to start. I went through that today earlier, so I know how I feel when your boat don't want to start. That's your grandpa? Try to help your grandpa out, man. I know how it is. My boat didn't want to start earlier. I had to go home and get my small boat.
I rode and then I broke it down. Deep.
Yeah, watch yourself because it's deep right there. I'm gonna take my boots off. Yeah. Let's get it close. All right, let's get you on the trailer. Whew. Let's get you on this trailer. I brought mine out earlier. It did the same thing. I had to go home and get my little boat. I ain't worried about my pants. That could get washed. I just want to get you on this. We'll get you all strapped in. Yes, sir. Let me get you up here.
There you go.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you on now.
Man.
All we gotta do is just winch you on up.
Thank you, sir. Man, that's all right. I just had damn knee surgery.
Yeah, you don't need to be.
But Bruce, I'm gonna give you my phone, and keys. Here. Do not drop that phone. That's $800.
You all strapped in. All you gotta do is pull it out the water. No problem.
Anything I can help you with?
No, sir. No, sir. Just wanted to make sure you get back on your trailer, man.
Yeah, you all right.
Oh, you have a good day here.
I gotta get it off, but I'll get it off.
Yeah, you get off.
Yeah,
The biggest thing is getting that boat back on that trailer.
You
Yeah.
ain't joking,
Yeah.
man. That's all right.
Yeah. You have a good one here. You need some help down, or you go? You all
I
right?
got it.
Okay. All right. You have a good day. Okay.
Where that I'm gonna get. I had to hug this trailer.
You have a good day. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? As you guys saw, I'm just getting in my truck leaving. I was putting my 10-foot on the back of my truck, and I seen the older guy over his boat didn't want to start on him. Trolling motor battery died. He said he had just bought the boat today. It was a used boat. So just be cautious, guys, when you guys buy stuff. But I took the time out to stop and help him get his boat on the trailer. Me and another guy. That's what it's all about, YouTube. Helping each other out, sticking together, being one nation all together. That's what we need to be doing, helping each other out, being there for people when you can. I could easily just got in my truck and pulled off, but I didn't. I stayed there and I helped that guy out because that was the right thing to do. So just wanted to throw that out there. Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. We gonna holler.